As a solution engineer at Coefficient, I often get requests from the sales team to join demos. And to streamline this process, I've created a Slack workflow form where the sales team can submit to request a demo that looks just like this. Once they submit this form, it actually feeds into my Google Sheet. I'll show you what the workflow looks like. Here's the information I collect from this form. It gets added into this Google Sheet and then sends a confirmation message. Here is what the Google Sheet looks like. This is the information that I request, and I also have another Coefficient import that's updating on an hourly basis with data from HubSpot so that these reps can just send the URL to the deal link, and I'll have all the information as to the deal name, the company and amount, and anything else that might be valuable. That way they don't have to duplicate the input of other information. So now let's see in action. Go back to my Slack, and we can complete this form. So I have a URL to paste, Google Sheets, connector I'll just do test, the demos today. Want to learn more about Coefficient. Now we can wait for the alert to send through. And here's the alert.